Hi, we are back here again at beautiful Clearwater Beach, wrapping up the annual meeting. We had a record event this year, didn't we, Pat? Tell us what happened.
It's been a heck of a ride. You know, we set a record with nearly 400 people here this week.
Amazing. You want to talk about our speakers that we had this year?
Yeah, so we started off with Dr. Amber Selking, who got us into a positive mind right away on Tuesday afternoon, following our wonderful golf outing that we had over at Innisbrook Country Club, which was kind of a cool setup. We had the PGA Tour event set up, ready to go. That was a neat experience for everybody.
I thought that was really just for us.
Yeah, well, we did have the whole course, so that was a nice thing to be able to do. You know, went into Wednesday morning and had some great panel discussions with our tech panel. This year we really tried to emphasize getting owners of shops up on the stage to talk about the technology that they buy.
Which is really why people love this event, right? Because they can really talk and collaborate about their businesses.
So aside from general sessions that we do where we cover everything from what's going on in the political landscape to economic forecasts, we have breakout sessions where we have smaller groups of people that can learn about tax benefits, new software developments in the industry, accounting practices, hiring practices. I think there's something everybody can find valuable from the annual meeting.
And while you're here, you also have the opportunity to give back and support that next generation workforce as well.
Right, so on Tuesday night, we set another record with our Spark Force silent auction for most money raised at our silent auction with nearly $50,000 this year.
Amazing. Well, it's been a great event. We're going to get back to it, finish up the last bit, but
absolutely, and we hope we see you next year as we head back to the Gila River Resort out in Chandler, Arizona, March 2nd through the 4th.
Yeah, another great spot. We can't wait to see everyone back there next year.